Today we look how to add contact persons to an already existing entry in our guest database. First, a regular entry needs to be created in the guest database. It is recommended to keep this as neutral as possible, for example without contact names. Contacts are contact persons of the main customer. Typical cases are the different teachers at a school or contacts of tour operators. In our example, it is the Bea Vista School, with contacts like Miss Edda James, Mr. Duke Ellington, Mr. Paul Robson, and Mr. Buddy Holly. To create a contact, we click on the button Copy of our main customer, the Bea Vista School. We remove the name of the main customer, Bea Vista School, from the field Name Organization and replace it with the last name of the contact person into the field Name Organization. In our case, it is Mr. Coleman Hawkins. Into the field First Name, we enter the first name of the contact person, Coleman. We complete this entry by adding the email address as well as phone number in the corresponding fields. Now we have to let the system know that Mr. Coleman Hawkins is a contact of the Bea Vista School. This can be done by clicking on the tab Contacts Credit in Mr. Coleman Hawkins guest file. On the tab Contacts Credit in the field Contact Name of, we can either enter the customer number of the Bea Vista School, our main customer, or select the customer number directly via the search symbol, the small blue button with the people on it. By this entry, Mr. Coleman Hawkins becomes a contact of the Bea Vista School. In our guest database, it now looks like this. The main customer is highlighted in bold. The associated contact persons are subordinate per sequential numbers, which are assigned automatically when creating and marked in thin. In the guest file of our main customer, we can now see all assigned contact persons on the tab Contacts Credit. If we now create a reservation, we select either the main customer or directly the guest entry with the corresponding contact person. If the contact person changes now again, simply select the correct contact person via the drop-down field in the right side of our reservation form on the tab Stay. We won't get confused by the fact that the customer number shown is always the one from the main customer. If we want the name of the contact person to be included in our written communication, like contracts, name lists or invoices, we have to contact our ASSD support.